Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna tell you about the basic of boxing techniques that important for beginners, and also with the exercise and tips to help improve your skills. So for the basic boxing techniques, for the first is about stance or standing position. So there is two type of stance or standing position. For the first is about orthodox. So orthodox is left foot forward and right foot back, feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and left hand up to protect the face, right hand near the jaw. Okay, so like this. And then for the second type is about the southpaw. Soto is the opposite of orthodox. So the right foot is at the forward, and for the left foot is at the back. Okay, and then after we training about the stance, so we also need about the footwork. So the footwork is always move lightly on the balls of your feet, and then we can practice moving forward and backward, and also for the sideways with small control step. And then we can maintain balance and keep our body to attack and to defend. So the footwork is also the important of the basic of boxing. And for the next, after we train our footwork, we can train our punching. So there is four type about the punching. So for the first, there is a jab. Jab is a straight punch with the lead hand, left for orthodox and right for southpaw. So we used to maintain distance and gauge the opponent. So we can. This is the easiest punch. We the easiest one than the other punching. And the next is a cross. Cross is a straight punch with the rear hand stronger than the jab due to the body rotation. And for the third type, there is a hook, a circular punch with the lead or rear hand aimed at the opponent's head or body. And for the next, there is uppercut, an upward punch with the lead or rear hand aimed at the opponent's chin. So after we train our punching, we can also train our defense. So there is four type of the defense for boxing. For the first is block. You can raise your hands to cover your face and body from attacks. And for the next, you can slip, avoid punches by moving your head to the side. And for the third, you can duck or you can lower your body to avoid the punch. And for the last is parry. You can deflect the opponent's punches by using your hand to knock them away. So for the this for all of the basic boxing techniques. And for the next, I'm gonna tell you about the exercise and the tips. For the first, you can exercise with shadow boxing. So shadow boxing is a practice without a partner to refine punching and footwork techniques. And then you can focus on speed, coordination, and visualizing opponent's movement. For the next exercise, you can train with the heavy bag. You can practice punching on a heavy bag to improve power and technique. And for the next, you can combine different punches and footwork at the heavy bag training. And for the next training is about the pad work. So you can train with a coach using a target pads to improve accuracy, speed, and reaction time. And then you can also practice of the combination, the punches, and the defense. And for the next exercise is you can conditioning and strength training. So you can do strength exercise like push-ups, sit-ups, and squats to build muscle strength. And don't forget have to you must do strength for your stamina with cardio exercise like running and skipping to increase our stamina. And for the last is about the sparring. You can practice also with a real opponent to apply techniques in real situation. And you can start with low intensity and focus on learning rather than winning or losing. And the additional tips, you can also breathe regularly and avoid holding your breath when punching or defending. And you can also focus on technique because it's very important to learn the correct technique before you increasing your speed and power. And you have to get enough for taking rest to ensure you have enough rest time for muscle recovery. And for the last, don't forget about the consistency because the boxing is about discipline, so you have to consistency to train regularly and consistently to see our progress. And by following all of the tips and the technique that I have told you, you can see the improve at your boxing skills. You have to remember to train safely and use appropriate protective gear. Okay, thank you for watching. Maybe that's all. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.